everybody, welcome to Geek of All Trades. I'm Jonathan, and my son Chandler and I specialize in creating costumes and props and show you guys how you can do it too. If you like what you see on this channel, just click the icon in the lower right hand corner and subscribe. Well, October 2018 is here, and so we decided to show off this classic Spider-Man black suit, which we got on eBay for about $29.99, and we did a few upgrades on it. So first off, I'm going to work from the feet up and tell you a little bit about it. What we did is we took some water shoes. We got some cheap water shoes off of Amazon and ripped off the rubber soles and glued them onto the suit using some Gorilla Glue super glue. That's pretty much it to get the footing on there. Worked out great. And of course, with the classic Spider-Man black suit, we have the white spider insignia, which goes from the front, continues onto the sides, all the way to the back, which we're really pleased with the way the sublimation turned out. Great job on that. And of course, the white squares in the back of the hands, can't forget those. But working all the way up here to the mask. Now, this was a single-piece Zentai bodysuit, so the mask that was with it was part of the suit. So what we did is we took the zipper when we pulled it away from the original suit and then cut at a high neckline. We cut that mask off and we got another just solid black Zentai mask and converted that to what you see here. So first off, what we did is we got some white perforated adhesive backed vinyl, which is the white in the eyes you see here. And then we used I believe a plastic top on like a tub of what was it, spinach, I think, from Costco. And we did the flat lenses, and then we applied the perforated vinyl to that, and then hot glued that onto these EVA foam frames, and then hot glued that whole assembly to this mask. And then I'm gonna be revealing my alter ego here to talk further about how we upgraded this mask. So further on this mask, after we attached the lenses, then we went on the flip side of the mask, because this didn't have any eye holes before. It was just that solid kind of see-through, not really see-through, but a little bit see-through spandex. But we went ahead and made the cuts. As you can see right here, we made little circular cuts there. Can you guys see that? Let's see. Well, anyhow, you can kind of, it's all black, so, but we made little cuts right here on the underside. Oh, there it is. You can see the shine right there. Yeah, we cut the eye holes inside the mask, so you get a full view straight through this like a window, so the eyes turned out great. And as a final addition to it, we used a 2-liter pop bottle. And that rounded top of the pop bottle, we took a paper template of the shape of the eyes, and we put that on there, traced it out, and cut it. And when you pop it out, I'm going to take one of these out to show you guys. It looks like that. Just a nice rounded lens. And with this thicker foam, you just kind of line things up, and it press fits quite nicely in place. So then you got that nice specularity with the light coming down off of it. You got that really cool Spider-Man eye lens. So that's how we did the whole eye lens construction. Had we to do this again, I probably would have brought the eyes in a little bit more and used just a slightly thinner EVA foam on the lenses, and we'll probably do another Mask 3.0 like this. And of course, not to forget, we did add a zipper. I just got one at the local fabric store, a black zipper, and made the cuts, and then you just flip the material inwards and glue it along the edge with some hot glue. Didn't even need to sew it. We just hot glued it on there. Worked out great. And we did put some Velcro tabs along the neck here and on the back here, because it tends to kind of want to pull away a little bit, but that holds it in place. So there it is, everybody. This is the classic black Spider-Man suit. If you are interested, that's how we did this suit, and you can, I'm sure you can pick one up on eBay and do the same thing we did. So there you have it, guys, the classic black symbiote Spider-Man suit and the upgrades that we did on it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, just click the icon below. You'll help us create more cool content for your enjoyment and inspiration. Also click on the notification bell below so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. I'm Jonathan, and this is Geek of All Trades.